Okay, this problem says a uniform plank rests on a level surface as shown below. Whenever they say uniform plank, what they're trying to tell you, well, I mean, a uniform plank means a uniform plank, but with that statement, they're also telling you the location of the center of gravity. Okay, the location of the center of gravity is important for you for all these problems because that's where the weight of the object acts. And so where is the center of gravity? Right in the geometric center. Okay, so that's where the weight of the plank acts. The plank has a mass of 30 kg and 6 meter long. How much mass can be placed at its right end before it tips? Okay, so how much weight can you put there? And when the board is about to tip over, it makes contact with the surface only along the edge. That becomes a momentary axis of rotation. Anyway, so here's the weight you put, and the weight has a small dimension. So there is mg, and there is, this is providing the counterclockwise torque. This object is trying to rotate the plank clockwise about this axis. The edge is where we'll take the axis of to calculate the moment about. So again, there's a reaction force like this, and when we calculate the torques, we'll calculate the torques about this axis, and this force will not come into play. This force is just equal to this weight plus that weight. Okay. All right, so what we'll do is we'll apply the sum of the torques is equal to 0 in this problem. Okay. And we'll calculate the torques about this point. Okay. And of course, this moment arm is 1.8 meters. This is 1.2 meters. Anybody can tell me how I got that? All right, so the plank was 6 meters long, and this had to be 3 meters. Okay. All right. And again, we're calculating, there are 3 forces acting on this object, this one, and that force. And we're calculating the torques about this point, so F gets eliminated. Okay. So mg times 1.2 meters, that's a positive torque, minus mg times 1.8 meters equal to 0. Oops. So m is equal to 1.2 divided by 1.8 times m. At 20 kgs, you would tip the plank. Okay.